Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain you how to fix a Samsung phone that keeps turning on and off. So as you can see, there are a few ways to do that. So as you can see, the first one is to close power hungry apps or features. So if your phone's battery is running low, features or apps that need more power may force the device to shut down unexpectedly. So this feature is intended to keep the battery safe. Then you have the second one to check the battery. Remove any detachable batteries and inspect them. And then as you can see, check that the battery is genuine Samsung and that there is no damage to the battery or the pins in the compartment. If you're unable to remove the battery, reset the device by pressing and holding the power and volume down keys for 30 seconds. And then you have the last one to check the power key or side key. So remove any covers or accessories that may interfere with the device buttons. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.